Good morning. Calling to order the Board of Health meeting for the town of Shrewsbury. Today is Wednesday, October 16th. The time is 8:05 a.m. First on our agenda to approve the minutes of the September 25th, 2024 public hearing. Is there a motion to approve it?
There's a motion.
Okay, Ms. Rosacci moves it.
Seconded. Second the motion, yes.
All right, Ms. Walker seconds the motion. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham both sides, unanimously approved. Also on our agenda is the approval of the minutes from the September 25th, 2024 Board of Health meeting. Is there a motion to approve the minutes?
Yes, motion.
Motion by Ms. Rosacci, second by Ms. Walker.
Aye.
All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The minutes are unanimously approved. On our agenda today is to develop a Board of Health fee schedule, specifically to add a new category called, and a permit application called base of operations, and designating a fee for the same. Emma, would you like to speak to that?
Yes, so we did receive an inquiry about a catering company wishing to use a, not already licensed, but an establishment that will be licensed. So they're looking to use them as their, what is called a base of operations, where they're going to be preparing the food. They'll be using somebody else's kitchen. So we've looked at other communities where they do have this, and it is not something that, this is not the first inquiry that we've had. So we were hoping to get this added to the fee schedule and designating a fee for $150. That way we can ensure that the catering company, we're making sure where they're tracing the food back to at the end of the day.
Okay. All right. Other questions from the board?
Just a question. When you checked with other towns, was that a similar fee?
Yeah, we were finding that there's anywhere ranging, depending on the size of the town, obviously, and how often they run into this. We're finding ranges anywhere between 100 and 150.
Great, thank you.
Great. I think we need to vote on this and also determine an effective date. What would you suggest as an effective date?
Today would be wonderful. I know they're chomping at the bit to kind of get the ball rolling.
Okay, great. So the request is to designate a new category called base of operations with a fee of $150 effective today, the October the 16th, 2024. Is there a motion?
I'll make a motion to approve.
Ms. Walker?
I will second that motion, yes.
All right, great. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham says aye, so it's unanimously carried, and the new base of operations fee is effective as of today.
Thank you.
Great, thank you. Good morning and welcome, Mr. Dennis.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman.
I'll defer to you for the communicable disease update.
At this time, I'll ask my colleague, Ms. Amelia Houghton from the Department of Public Health. Amelia?
Hello, everyone, Mr. Chairman and board members. Just a quick update. So far, in the previous month, we see that our COVID cases have leveled off, and they're not really starting to go down, but they're kind of level. So they're not really going up at this point. We've had very few reported flu cases. We have not had any measles or pertussis to date over the last month. That's the actual communicable disease piece. We still continue to report on arboviruses, and Shrewsbury remains moderate for West Nile virus risk level with Worcester, and they remain low for triple E risk level also with Worcester. And that's really it on the communicable diseases.
Great. Questions for Amelia?
Nope, no questions.
Great. Thank you very much for that. The Central Mass Regional Public Health Alliance update?
At this time, Mr. Chairman, there's only one update. The Central Mass Regional Public Health Alliance will be having, in the month of November, we'll be having some kind of open house. And the goal of the open house is to educate the resident regarding the work we do in the Alliance towns. So our date and time will be sent out pretty soon. And we're looking forward to welcoming the public and to talk about some of the work we're doing in the town.
Great. Thank you. Next on the agenda is reviewing the meeting schedule. Ms. Stockwell, I believe we have a date in hand for next month.
Mhm.
It's November 20th.
November 20th,
Yes,
8 a.m.
At 8 a.m.
in this room.
Great, and that works for all of us.
Yep,
Thank you in
approve.
advance for the consensus. All right, with that, we're ready to adjourn the meeting. Thank you. Motion to adjourn?
Motion.
Thank you.
And a
Ms.
second
Walker?
motion. Yep.
All right, all in favor, Ms. Rosacci,
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The meeting is adjourned. Thank you for your time and
you.
attention. Thank you.